little artists! Are you ready to create something colorful and fun today? We're going to draw lipsticks with cute designs. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. First, let's draw our first lipstick. Draw a long rectangle and then add the lipstick tip at the top. Next, let's draw a star on this lipstick. Draw a simple star shape right in the middle of the lipstick. Now, let's draw our second lipstick. Same steps as before, a long rectangle and a tip. For this one, we'll draw a strawberry. Draw a small strawberry shape with little seeds on it.
Awesome!
Time for the third lipstick. Draw another long rectangle and the tip. This one will have lips on it. Draw a small pair of lips in the center.
Cool!
Finally, let's draw our fourth lipstick. Another long rectangle and tip. And let's add a heart shape on this one. Draw a cute heart right in the middle. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring our lipsticks to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. We will use rainbow colors to make our artwork extra special. Red color. Orange color.
Cool!
Yellow color. color. Purple color. Pink color. Amazing job, little artists! Your lipsticks are colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making awesome art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.